How y'all doing, YouTube? What's going on? I was putting on this trim on this Chevy, and I thought maybe that I would make a video because, I mean, it's some videos out there of trim, but it's really like, they skip and do all type of shit that you can't even see. So look, this is what holds the trim on, right? You got this little thing right here that you slide these little prongs or something in. Let me wipe this off so you can see it better. Right? You see these little things? I'm show them like that. It's like these little hook things, right? So you put these inside the little hook things, right? Let me see if I can do it with one hand. So one of them goes like that in, and then one down, right? So you gotta press down first, and then to the left, which is really fucking hard. There you go. Just painted it, so that's why I think it's doing that, right? So you get these two little holes right here, and you got a 13 millimeter for the bolts. We got this one, but it was broke. I believe you can buy these online. I don't think these hard to find. I'm gonna put it back the way it was. All right, so how you put these on is, they got these little lips right here. You go down first because these move up and down. These keep the tension on the trim. So basically you want to find the holes, but at the same time put them flush to the and then you want to lift up and put them on top of it. And that's how you get them on. And then you screw them on the inside, and to get them off, you do the same thing. You lift from the bottom to get the tension off, and then you pull it off of this lip, and then you can pull it down. Then you got one on the inside. You got some screws on the inside that you just... All right, there you go. That's how you put trim on or take it off these box Chevys without breaking anything. All right.